A recipe for trail mix requires 1 1/2 of cup of nuts for every cup of dried fruit. For every 1 cup of dried fruit. Create a graph to represent y, the number of cups of nuts required for x cups of dried fruit. Select 2 points on the coordinate grid. A line will connect the points. Okay, so we need to find 2 points on this coordinate grid. In our question here, we're given our unit rate. So now we have to create an equation and find 2 points that belong to that equation. Normally, in a question like this, we would have to find our unit rate using k equals y over x. In this case, they already gave us a unit rate, but I can show you what that looks like. So k would equal 1 1/2, which is 1.5, divided by 1, which just gives me 1.5. So now I can find my equation. My equation is in the form of y equals kx, where k is 1.5. So now I just need to find 2 points that belong on this graph, and I can do that by heading over to Desmos. I will put in the equation that we found, y equals 1.5 x, and then I'll go into the settings. I'll hit the table, and I see a table come up with multiple points. You can choose any 2 points that go on this table, but I'm going to choose the simplest ones, which are 0, 0, my origin here. This is my origin. And 1 and 1.5 seems okay, but a decimal is a little difficult sometimes. So I'm going to choose 2, 3. That's a much more perfect point. 2, 3. Now, if you were doing this on the computer on School City or All in Learning, the points would connect themselves and create this line. Since you're working on paper, I would just like you to make sure that you have all of this work shown on your paper, specifically this table showing the 2 points that you are putting on this graph.